Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where you can find out everything you want to know, everything you have to know about your favorite coin and about your favorite token. And in today's video guys, I'd like to talk with you about a project that could be maybe the biggest project of 2022. Have you ever wondered how to find out what will be the next Polygon, the next Cardano, the next project that can easily go to 100 or at least or maybe top 10 coins and tokens on CoinMarketCap? Well, I think that I have just found the answer, but as always I encourage you to do your own research. Why? Because we're going to talk about Partisia blockchain, the world's most advanced zero-knowledge blockchain technology. I mean, this is the future of crypto. They have decided to combine zero knowledge, but it is something that has never been done before and everything works perfectly. So they are at the start, although this has been developed in years. So I like to share with you why I am really bullish about this amazing project. So Partisia blockchain is built for trust, transparency, privacy, and speed of lightning finalization across all platforms. We'll try to cover everything in today's video, although if we want to cover everything it will take like 20 or 30 minutes, maybe even an hour or two, because this is really complex. But let's try to make it simple and to go through some key details to see why do I think this could be the year of Partisia blockchain. Before we can start, make sure to follow them on Twitter by clicking on the little bird here. As you can see here, they already have more than 187k followers in Twitter, and of course make sure to join their Telegram if you want to stay in touch to find out, stay tuned about the latest news. And I cannot wait to start because this is going to be great. So one more time, Partisia blockchain, distributed trust with speed and privacy. Our mission, to us, Partisia means distributed trust. Our mission is to establish a Web 3.0 infrastructure with no single point of trust for generic coordination of public and private information to be used by all applications across all platforms. So, tech overview. As we mentioned, Partisia blockchain is built for trust, transparency, privacy, and speed of lightning finalization by combining secure multi-party computation and blockchain, of course, technology. And of course, their native their coin is MPC coin. We'll go to some to the tokenomics and to see why do you think that this is great. Of course, if you're interested in getting a node and you're interested from holding a node, you just need to click on this link here and you will find out what do you have to do next, because this is something that can make you, I don't want to say a millionaire, but it can actually boost your financial situation. So, infrastructure for the greater good. Partisia blockchain privacy preserving technologies is solving the world's largest problem in line with the UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals. You can see some of them: no poverty, decent work and economic growth, good health and well-being. So their mission is great. So I really think that these people are not here because of let's say money. Of course, money is really important, but this is something that they want to write their name in the history books. I mean, this is the whole idea is great. That's why I want you guys to go through this to their website, through their white paper, to see everything about this amazing project. So industry, innovation, and infrastructure. So a functioning and resilient infrastructure is the foundation of every successful community. To meet the future challenges, our industries and infrastructure must be upgraded. For this, we need to promote innovative sustainable technologies and ensure equal and universal access to information and financial markets. This will bring prosperity, create jobs, and make sure that we build stable and prosperous societies across the globe. So neutral platform. Basically, Partisia blockchain is a neutral platform accessible for anyone, more inclusive financial ecosystem. Also, they support DeFi by privacy preserving automatic binding agents and interoperability. Of course, fight corruption, fraud detection. That's why zero knowledge is great, because you will give as much as information you actually have to give. Basically, we don't want to go to the theory of zero knowledge right now. If you want, I can make another video for you just where we'll cover zero knowledge. What's the difference between regular zero knowledge trust and what they're planning to do is basically this. So when it comes to, let's say, traditional zero-knowledge proofs, there is a prover and verifier. In their zero-knowledge computation, or MPC, everyone is a prover and everyone is a verifier. So we're talking about the future of blockchain. We'll go through some tech details here in a moment. Of course, you can find out more in their white paper, their mission, what they want to do. Of course, not to forget, I have to mention that Partisia blockchain has raised a total of 36 millions, and the most recent was led by also Capital, P2P, Cosmos, and Bitscale, as well as other key players, including CryptoBazaar Capital, and of course Gate.io Labs and Insignias Capital. Of course, what's really important that European Union has basically has understood how valued this project is, and that's why they got Partisia blockchain got 120k donation grant from them for their fund to fund next generation projects. People started to recognize the true value of this amazing project. So the lack of confidentiality and privacy in blockchain is obvious and hampers their uptake and use. While initial attempts to address this weakness have been made, the Partisia blockchain project provides a complete platform for orchestrating and offering zero-knowledge computations on-chain, off-chain, and across blockchains. That's right, of course, interchain, right? Zero-knowledge computations adds privacy and confidentiality to blockchains in a decentralized fashion with no single point of trust. Partisia blockchain approach is blockchain agnostic and focuses on interoperability while facilitating both privacy and transaction across chain. And Partisia blockchain is a public permissioned blockchain that functions as a transparent and structured platform for zero-knowledge computations and is a vehicle for organizing accredited trustees to further strengthen the blockchain ecosystem. The team behind Partisia blockchain represents world-leading cryptographers and pioneers with the commerce use of ZK computation. So we'll take a look at this in a moment. What I want to mention is the whole team is fully doxed. Not that they're fully doxed. You can see that we're talking about people who have proven themselves in their field. So these people already have great careers. So that's what I said. I think that it's not only about boosting their financial situation. It's way more about changing the world. But of course, you can take a benefit from this. Why not? By buying Dogecoin, and of course, if you want to operate the nodes. This is going to be great. So I have to mention that they are based in Switzerland, and one more time, take a look, is an independent non-profit foundation with the sole purpose of supporting the public blockchain, Partisia blockchain. The foundation is located in Zug, Switzerland, and regulated by the Swiss regulators. So everything is clear. We cannot talk about rug pull or something like that. I'm not a financial advisor, but what I can tell you guys is that this company is 100% legit, which is very important. We have to pay attention to what we're doing with our assets, right? So we mentioned here something. Confidential Web 3.0 interoperability like never before. Sharding on mainnets 1.0. Chain state split across different subshards to load balance the network. True interoperability. Oracle facilitates seamless interoperability. Certified zero-knowledge computation. So certified. This has been proved that it can actually work. So it's not an experiment. This has been proved, right? It's confidential computation on private data and transparent privacy. Blockchain provides transparent bedrock for MPC speed of lighting finalizations. No forks finalization occurs immediately, making forks impossible. Jurisdiction management, pointer applications on smart contract and accredited nodes in the jurisdiction of your choice. Eager blocks, so blocks are produced on demand, and staking collateral, enhanced insurance, and limited liabilities. So you can compare this amazing project to, for example, Ethereum. What are some weaknesses of Ethereum, Chainlink, and Bitcoin, and why Partisia blockchain can step in and offer a better solution. So for example, when it comes to Ethereum, we know the problem with the network and congestion, right? Unscalable DeFi, $50 transaction, slow settlement, Partisia DeFi ecosystem first ever interchain MPC solution to provide a DeFi market for all crypto assets from all chains, low transactions cost, near instant settlement, so speed, and of course really cheap. So let's take a look at their token distribution. So their coin is of course aleksic token, so it's provided in figure 5 and involved the following 4 groups of token holders. So 20% ecosystem fund token assigned to grow and develop the ecosystem, 50% core infrastructure team tokens assigned for their Partisia blockchain founders, and core development team 60% for token sale, tokens for node operators and other stakeholders, maybe you can be one of them, 5% token reserve, tokens saved for unforeseen future events. So they have been thinking about everything. You can see here more about token distribution, about their blockchain. I encourage you to do your own research to see how this actually works. So like I told you, when it comes to zero knowledge, so we need a verifier and we need someone to basically, as you can see here, we have a verifier and we have someone who is a prover, right? When it comes to this amazing blockchain infrastructure, you can see that every user is a verifier, and of course every user is a prover. Secret input from many parties, and output any result. So you can find out more one more time by clicking on their white paper. So I encourage you to do so because this is going to be big. So guys, let me know in the comment what you think about this amazing project. Also, I'll share some links with you in the description so you can find out more about this amazing project, Web 3.0 public blockchain built for trust, transparency, privacy, and seed. Of course, there is a great interview with Kurt Nielsen, co-founder and president of Partisia blockchain, so you can see everything. You can find out why I'm so bullish about this amazing project. So guys, one more time, let me know in the comment what you think about Partisia blockchain, and until next video, please invest smart.